So if you have been in the e-commerce industry for some time or for a long time, you would know, you would agree with me that a single niche e-com store is a gold mine. It has made a lot of people, a lot of young people millionaires. I know about Nigeria definitely because I am in Nigeria, I live in Nigeria, and I'm one of such people. And yes, of course, a few people also in Africa who I know have become millionaires from single niche e-com stores, especially in places like Ghana. All right. So in this video, I am going to share with you what single niche e-commerce store is about and how you can key into this kind of e-commerce business, right? And one thing you need to understand is that mostly this single niche e-commerce store is for the big boys in the e-commerce business. All right. Now that does not mean that those who are just starting or those who are at the intermediate level cannot also do this single niche e-com store. Of course, you can get into it, you can tap into the opportunities, but there are steps you need to take and there are processes you need to go through so that you don't get overwhelmed by everything that's going on, the activities or whatsoever. So yes, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get into the single niche e-com store and how you can proceed on that scale. All right. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Courage. On this channel, we talk about a lot of things around money, business, marketing, sales. We just talk about how to make money online. So if you'd like to learn more about how to make money online, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel and also turn on the bell icon so you'll be among the first people to get notified whenever I publish videos. So guys, right now, I ask you to please give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, just like my video so that more people get to see my video. Okay, so single niche e-com store. Let's get started. What exactly is single niche e-com store? If you are in e-commerce, you understand that there are different kind of products that you can sell to make money in e-commerce in Nigeria, especially in Africa. All right. And when I say Nigeria, I actually mean in Africa because the same thing that we do in Nigeria, people do it in Ghana, people do it in Cameroon, Benin Republic, in different African countries. I know some of these people. I know some of my students who are outside Nigeria and they are making a whole lot of money. They're having a good life doing e-commerce, right? So understand that wherever you're watching from, this can be useful to you too. So a single niche e-com store is an e-com store where you sell products that are in a similar niche. All right. Take for instance, you sell something like a blender. Now you are in the market selling, you are running advert selling blender, and someone purchase your blender. Now this person is asking you, please, do you also have this item? Do you also have item B or item C? Right? For instance, let me use this phone as an example. All right. You purchase a phone like this. You're selling a phone. Someone buys a phone from you, and the person is asking, please, do you have a pouch? Do you have power bank? Do you have a phone casing? Do you have a phone screen? Do you understand? A screen protector or screen guard or stuff like that. Now, these are items in a similar niche, in a single niche. So it means that when you sell a phone, to increase the money that you generate from that business, you can also offer selling a screen protector. Do you understand? You can offer selling a power bank. Now you can make different offers to people and they are going to buy it because the products are interrelated. We do these things in our business. You can sell something to you, and then the customer says, "Do you have this? Do you have that?" Now, if you don't have it yet, you can tell the customer, "Yes, I have it, but hold on, let me confirm the quantity we have left." And then you have to make contacts immediately, search for suppliers, and then you find out the price. For instance, if the price for the item is 7,000 naira, and you want to sell it with a profit of, or you want to sell it 17,000, all right, you can now tell the customer, "Oh yes, we have it, the price is 17,000 naira, but because you have purchased this item from us, you are now a customer. Instead of 17,000 naira, we are going to give it to you at 14,000 naira, but that is if you buy between now and so time." Do you understand? You have put it forward to them. Yes, we have it. The price is 17,000 naira, but because I've purchased this item, we are going to give it to you at 14,000 instead of 17,000 because you are now a customer. We like to treat our customers right. But that is if you purchase this item between this period of time. It will motivate them or it will propel them to take immediate action and purchase that. By so doing, you have killed two birds with a stone because your advert was to promote a single item. At the end of the day, you sold another item as part of the item you sold. So with a single niche e-com store, you make more money, you spend less on advertising, all right, and you get more customer loyalty, especially if you are selling products that are genuine and that are durable and long lasting products. And that is why you see people, most of the people who are selling health products, all right, when they advertise a particular kind of product and then you ask them, do you have a product that can do this for me, they will tell you yes, because they are all interrelated. Even if you don't have it, they will look for it and sell to you. So if you are selling, for instance, a kitchen product, you can also ask your supplier if he has interrelated products. That's why I always advise, go to the market, go by yourself. It's funny when people keep asking me to recommend products. I don't recommend. Go to the market, meet the suppliers there. You will see all the stuff they have. When you have seen the one you want to sell, you will see other items that you can also add to your list. Because it is always interesting when you have more than one item bringing in money for you. For instance, if you are selling this item A, and item A is giving you a profit of 50,000 naira every day. Okay? Now imagine if you are selling three of such items, but different items in similar niche, three of it. Imagine how much you are going to be making in a day. It is the idea, that's the concept of scaling your business. That's why I said that this single niche e-com store is mostly played by the big boys. Because as someone who is just starting in the e-commerce, who is not even strong in the e-commerce business, you might get overwhelmed. Okay? But there is a way you can start. You start small. If you are selling a wristwatch, someone said, "Do you also have a bangle, or I don't know what people call it, just hand chain, whatever it is?" Even if you don't have it, you tell them, "Yes, you have it. That I'll get back to you shortly." And then you call your supplier and find out if the supplier has it, so that you can sell alongside with your wristwatch. All right. Then something else you need to do is upsell. Upsell. That is why people in e-commerce business, people who are serious with e-commerce business, they don't use WhatsApp they don't drive traffic to WhatsApp. All right. They use a sales page. We use a sales page. Then we add a WhatsApp number on the sales page, so that customers who are more comfortable purchasing when they interact with you on WhatsApp, they will come there. Because if you use just WhatsApp as your sales page, you are going to be getting inquiries like how much, I will get back to you, stuff like that. It is going to drive you nuts. It's going to drive you nuts. But when you use a sales page, people are going to place order on the sales page, while a few people are going to contact you on WhatsApp. You can keep building your list on WhatsApp, because once you have a very engaged and active WhatsApp customer list, you can never lack money again in the e-commerce industry. All right. So as someone who's just starting, you need to learn how to create sales page, please. If you want to make money this year, if you want to take e-commerce business seriously this year, learn how to create a sales page, learn how to set up Facebook adverts. For the Facebook advert, I have videos, over 20 videos on advert on my channel. Just go to the playlist. You see the Facebook marketing and advert playlist. Watch those videos on this channel. All right. If you want to learn how to create a sales page, I have a course on e-commerce that can teach you that. I will link the course in the description below. You go there, you click on it so I can get the course and study more on e-com. It's a beginner's course, not for professionals. It's a beginner-friendly course. So that's by the way. So learn how to create a sales page so that you can upsell on the sales page. By upsell, I mean if, for instance, you are selling a phone like this, and someone places an order for the phone and they click on submit. When they submit the order, the page will reload, right, and redirect them. Now, instead of directing them to a thank you page, okay, instead of sending them to a thank you page, it will send them to a page where they will see another item. Just like when you're purchasing online, people, like Amazon or different places, they will say people who purchased this also purchased this. All right, they will show you similar items. People who bought this also bought this one. So when someone buys a phone and they submit the order, it will open up a new page and they will see power bank. They will see power bank, they will see phone protector, they will see screen guard, they will see different stuff, and they are likely to buy. All right. If 100 people goes to that page, you might get 20 people to purchase. What happens? You are increasing your sales. You are increasing the opportunity of making more money. The product has to be interrelated, has to be something that can be used interchangeably. Not necessarily interchangeably, but products that are in a similar niche. So that if you're selling a blender and someone purchases a blender, they can ask you if you have the grinder, or that machine that is used to, to, it's called yam pounder, to pound yam, to blend tomato, stuff like that. All right. Because I have sold blender and people kept asking for that yam pounder, we have to add it also, so that in a day, if you were making 50,000 naira before, once you add these similar products, you will see that your money will increase to maybe 70,000, 80,000, 100,000, as the case may be. As the case may be. So yes, single niche e-com store is a gold mine, but many people do not understand it yet. How do you sell this? You sell by upselling, which I just explained, using a sales page. You upsell. You sell by informing customers. All right. You also sell by getting feedback from customers when they purchase, or even when they comment on your advert. Do you also have this? Yes, I do. Even if you don't have it, tell them that yes, I have it. Then you call your supplier, or you call anyone, or you go to Gigi and search sharp sharp. Search, find the product, discuss with the supplier sharp sharp, agree on price, then get back to the customer. That's how you don't have to keep saying no or to everything. They say, do you have this? You say no. Do you have that? No. Do you have no? It doesn't work that way. Yes, we have it. Then you begin to make contact sharp sharp. Have you gone to the market and see this, my brothers, Igbo boys in the market? You come to someone's shop. Do you have LG? This, he does not have it. He will say, yes, I have it. It's in the other store. Hold on, let me go and get it for you. If you go to his neighbor's store, bring it and sell to you. Take his own cut and pay the person his money. That's how it works. You have to be smart to make this money online. As far as you are selling products that are genuine, that are durable, that are quality products, and that are long lasting, you are going to make a lot of money. See, there is money in e-commerce. I know it can be frustrating. I know it is tiresome. It's overwhelming. But if there's no money, I will not be here telling you all these things. I mean, I live by example. You see me, some of you see my adverts on Facebook. You see my adverts running. So I'm not just speaking from what I heard. I'm sharing from experience. You see my adverts. I'm teaching you. I am into the e-commerce. I'm practicing it. I am selling products every day. So it's not like I'm teaching you from what I read in a book or something. I'm telling you from personal experiences. Learn how to build a sales page. Learn how to run Facebook ads. Always have multiple ad accounts. Build relationship with self-delivery agents. Have a good rapport with your supplier and their sales boys. Create your own creative. That is your videos, your pictures. Do them yourself. Don't copy people's own. Don't download people's own. Make your own creative yourself. And nothing is going to stop you from making millions of money doing e-commerce business. Nothing will stop you. Whether you are in Nigeria, you are in Ghana, you are in Cameroon, you are in Cote d'Ivoire, you are in Benin Republic, wherever you are in Togo, wherever you are, Nothing, nothing is going to stop you. All right. So yes, you may want to consider doing single niche e-com store. You have a product like a phone, then you add power bank to it, you add wireless charger, you add phone protector. Do you understand? Products that are related, it increases the amount of money you make. I hope someone watches this video, get inspired by this video, and start taking necessary actions. Now, if you have any question you would like to ask me, I am available. I am here in the comment sections with you. Please feel free to ask your questions and I'll answer you. All right. If you have any contributions, drop them in the comments below. I am right here to attend to your questions, to guide you, and to show you the way these things are done. Please don't send me a message on social media to ask me questions on videos you watch here. Ask the questions here and I will answer you here. And also, other people are also contributing to the comment section. You can go through their own contributions, go through their questions and see the answers there and learn more. All right. We are all here to learn and to grow together. I wish you the best and I'll see you in my next video. Please like this video and share with anyone you know will find it helpful. Cheers and have a blessed day. Bye.